Actually, Dyson isn't just a vacuum company. It's a billion-dollar brand built on frustration, obsession, and solving real problems. James Dyson got tired of vacuums that lost suction. So he built 5,127 prototypes, by hand. Everyone told him no. So he started his own company. Today, Dyson vacuums are in millions of homes. But that's just the beginning. One day, he noticed something else. His wife's hairdryer. Loud, heavy, and frying her hair. He asked, "Why does it have to be this way?" So he spent $70 million to build a better one. Quieter, faster, gentler. That's how the Dyson Supersonic was born. It looked like a sci-fi gadget, cost $400, and people laughed. Until it sold out. Salons loved it. Influencers flexed it. Now Dyson's beauty tech division is worth over $1 billion. What's the secret? No shortcuts, no copycats, just deep engineering, obsessive testing, and solving problems people didn't even realize could be solved better. It started with a vacuum, then a hairdryer, and it hasn't stopped since.